Top 5 Morning Habits for Anti-Aging. Did you know that your morning routine can literally make or break how you age? That's right. The first few hours of your day affect your skin, metabolism, brain function, and even how long you live. If you want to stay youthful, keep your skin glowing, maintain a sharp mind, and prevent premature aging, you need to start your mornings with the right habits. The good news? Science has already proven what works. In today's video, we're looking into the top 5 morning habits for anti-aging. Let's get started. Number 5. Sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Before we even get started on your morning habits, do you sleep well at night? If you're not sleeping well, you're aging faster, inside and out. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, producing collagen, balancing hormones, and flushing out toxins. Studies show that sleep deprivation accelerates aging, causing wrinkles, sagging skin, and brain fog. When you don't sleep enough, your body releases more cortisol, the stress hormone, which breaks down collagen and causes inflammation. This leads to dull, tired-looking skin and premature fine lines. But when you get a full 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, your body produces human growth hormone, HGH, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Sleep is also crucial for brain health and memory. Poor sleep is directly linked to Alzheimer's, dementia, and cognitive decline. If you want to keep your mind sharp and age gracefully, you need deep, restorative sleep. For the best anti-aging effects, aim to sleep before midnight, avoid screens before bed, and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Prioritize sleep, and you'll wake up looking and feeling younger every day. Number 4. Getting vitamin D from the sun. One of the most powerful and underrated anti-aging secrets is getting enough vitamin D from sunlight. Our bodies naturally produce vitamin D when exposed to morning sunlight, but many people don't get enough. Studies show that low vitamin D levels are linked to premature aging, weak bones, poor immune function, and even cognitive decline. Vitamin D plays a huge role in collagen production and skin health because it helps regulate calcium levels, which are essential for cell regeneration and repair. A deficiency can lead to dry skin, fine lines, and increased inflammation, making you age faster. Not only does vitamin D support youthful skin, but it also strengthens your bones, prevents muscle loss, and boosts energy levels. It even helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions. Vitamin D is essential for heart health because it helps regulate blood pressure, reduces inflammation, and improves artery function. When your body gets enough sunlight, it naturally produces vitamin D, which supports the proper function of the endothelium, the thin layer of cells lining your blood vessels. This helps keep your arteries flexible and reduces the risk of high blood pressure. Studies have found that people with low vitamin D levels are at a much higher risk of heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. One reason is that vitamin D helps lower inflammation and prevents calcium from building up in the arteries, which can lead to arterial stiffness and blockages, two major causes of hypertension and cardiovascular disease. Vitamin D plays a critical role in blood sugar regulation and insulin sensitivity, making it a key nutrient for preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. When you get enough sunlight, your body produces more vitamin D, which helps your pancreas function properly. Your pancreas is responsible for producing insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Low vitamin D levels are linked to insulin resistance, meaning your cells stop responding to insulin properly, causing high blood sugar levels and increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that people with higher vitamin D levels had a 43% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes than those with a deficiency. Vitamin D is one of the most powerful immune system regulators, and a deficiency is strongly linked to autoimmune diseases like multiple sclerosis, MS, rheumatoid arthritis, RA, lupus, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Autoimmune diseases happen when the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells, causing chronic inflammation and tissue damage. But vitamin D helps keep the immune system balanced. It prevents it from overreacting while still allowing it to fight infections and harmful invaders. Research has shown that people with low vitamin D levels are significantly more likely to develop autoimmune diseases because their immune system is more prone to overactivation and chronic inflammation. Sunlight exposure helps regulate immune responses, lower inflammation, and reduce the severity of autoimmune conditions. If you have an autoimmune disease or want to prevent one, getting enough vitamin D is crucial. Aging isn't just about wrinkles and gray hair. It's about how well your body functions, heals, and stays strong over time. Chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions speed up aging by causing inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular damage, all of which break down your body faster. By preventing these diseases, you're not just adding years to your life. You're adding youth, energy, and vitality to every year. For the best results, spend 10 to 20 minutes in direct sunlight every morning, preferably before 10 a.m. to avoid harsh UV rays. If you live in a place with little sun, consider vitamin D supplements after consulting with a doctor. The bottom line? Soak up some morning sunshine. It's nature's anti-aging elixir. If you like this video so far, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. It helps motivate us to continue making videos like this. Number 3. Take morning walks. Starting your day with a brisk morning walk is one of the most powerful habits for slowing down aging and keeping your body young. Walking improves blood circulation, increases oxygen flow, and enhances collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and glowing. Regular walking also boosts metabolism, prevents muscle loss, and reduces belly fat, one of the biggest contributors to premature aging. It's been scientifically proven that people who walk daily have a lower risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Beyond weight loss, walking reduces stress hormones like cortisol, which directly impacts skin aging and overall health. Plus, it releases endorphins, your body's natural happy hormones, that improve mood, reduce anxiety, and keep your brain sharp. Aim for 30 to 45 minutes of walking in the morning to maximize anti-aging benefits. If you can walk outdoors in nature for added benefits like fresh air and vitamin D. In order for you to enjoy walking, you should invest in comfortable shoes that are made for walking. If you enjoy walking and know comfortable shoes that make walking enjoyable, comment with the shoes in the comments to help others who are starting out. Walking isn't just exercise. It's an investment in a longer, healthier life. Number 2. Start your day with lemon water first, then follow up with a protein-rich breakfast. We've all heard about starting the day with a glass of lemon water. But did you know that this simple habit is a powerful anti-aging and overall wellness booster? Lemons may be small, but they are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration, key players in keeping you youthful, glowing, and full of energy. Collagen is the main protein that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and fine lines. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, a key nutrient for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C helps convert proline into hydroxyproline, which is essential for strong, healthy collagen fibers. This means fewer wrinkles, tighter skin, and a radiant glow. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher vitamin C intake is linked to less skin dryness and fewer wrinkles in middle-aged women. So drinking lemon water daily could be your easiest and most natural anti-aging skincare routine. Aging is accelerated by oxidative stress, which happens when free radicals, unstable molecules, damage your cells, proteins, and DNA. This leads to premature wrinkles, age spots, and even chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Lemons are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, which neutralize free radicals and slow down the aging process. This means you'll have younger-looking skin, stronger immunity, and more vitality. A study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that citrus flavonoids help protect the skin from UV damage, a leading cause of premature aging. So drinking lemon water daily may help shield your skin from sun-induced wrinkles. One of the biggest causes of dull, dry, and wrinkled skin is dehydration. When your body lacks water, your skin loses its elasticity and glow, making you look older than you really are. Starting your day with warm lemon water ensures deep hydration, which keeps your skin cells plump, smooth, and glowing. Proper hydration also flushes out toxins, reducing puffiness, acne, and dark circles under the eyes. A study in Frontiers in Nutrition confirmed that proper hydration improves skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and enhances overall skin health. Your gut health affects everything, from digestion and weight management to mood and skin health. An unhealthy gut leads to inflammation, bloating, and premature aging. Lemons stimulate bile production, which helps your body break down fats and toxins more efficiently. The citric acid in lemons supports digestion, reduces bloating, and promotes regular bowel movements, preventing gut-related inflammation that speeds up aging. A study published in Gut Microbes found that citrus polyphenol improve gut microbiome balance, reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. By starting with a glass of warm lemon water in the morning, you flush out toxins, hydrate your skin, and provide a burst of vitamin C, which boosts collagen and brightens your skin. Lemon water also balances pH levels, aids digestion, and improves liver function, which is crucial for healthy skin and weight management. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm or room temperature water and drink it. For extra benefits from lemon water, add the following. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to boost metabolism, add ginger to reduce inflammation, or you can add honey to support digestion. Following it up with a high-protein breakfast keeps you full longer, stabilizes blood sugar, and fuels your muscles. Protein is essential for collagen production, muscle repair, and tissue regeneration. Studies show that people who eat protein in the morning have fewer wrinkles, better metabolism, and more energy throughout the day. Great protein-rich breakfast options include eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, and salmon. These foods provide essential amino acids and healthy fats, keeping your skin plump and firm. Eating protein also prevents muscle loss, which is crucial for staying youthful as you age. Fuel your body with the right nutrients every morning, and you'll see your skin glow, your metabolism fire up, and your energy levels soar. To reap the maximum anti-aging benefits, you should couple the habits we are mentioning in this video with an anti-aging diet. At the end of this video, we have put a video about top 5 whole grains richest in proteins and antioxidants for anti-aging. Click on it to know the best diet that can nourish your body and fight against signs of premature aging. Number 1. Have a decent skincare routine. The most important morning habit for anti-aging is taking care of your skin. Your skin is the first thing people see, and if you want to stay looking young, you need to protect it from daily damage. In your skincare routine, include an exfoliant. An exfoliant can be in the form of a toner or a face cleanser. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week helps to remove dead skin cells and boost collagen production. Include a vitamin C serum in your skincare routine as well. Vitamin C helps fight free radical damage, brightens your complexion, and stimulates collagen. Another serum that should be a staple of your skincare routine is hyaluronic acid. It helps deeply hydrate your skin and keep it plump and youthful. Also include a retinol serum, vitamin A, a few times a week, which speeds up cell renewal, reduces wrinkles, and improves skin texture. The final and most crucial staple of your skincare routine is sunscreen. UV rays are responsible for 90% of visible skin aging, including wrinkles, dark spots, and collagen breakdown. Studies have shown that people who wear daily sunscreen look younger than those who don't, even at the same age. Sunscreen protects against skin cancer, sunburn, and premature wrinkles. It also prevents hyperpigmentation, keeps your skin barrier strong, and maintains hydration levels. Even if you don't go outside, UV rays still penetrate through windows, causing long-term damage. For the best anti-aging protection, Use a broad-spectrum SPF 50 every morning, even on cloudy days. A solid skincare routine isn't just about looking good. It's about keeping your skin strong, protected, and youthful for years to come. And there you have it, the 5 best morning habits to slow down aging and keep you looking and feeling young. Which of these habits are you going to start first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Stay glowing and youthful.